What's up, guys? It's Hunter here with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. Today I'm going to be twisting a friendly little octopus. First, you're going to take a 260. I'm going to do purple. You're going to go blow it up 3.5 times. So 1, 2, 3.5-ish. Tie it off. And then you're going to do a 3-inch pedal twist. And then you're going to keep doing pedal twists until you basically run out of air. So another 3-inch pedal twist. Another 3-inch pedal twist. Another 3-inch pedal twist. Hey, guess what? Another 3-inch pedal twist. Let's see, can we put another 3-inch pedal twist in there? I bet we can. Another 3-inch pedal twist. Now you just have a bunch of 3-inch pedal twists all put together. Kind of looks like a flower, but it's not. Come in, have that. Then you're gonna take a colorful polka dot balloon. I'm gonna do purple, matchy matchy. Blow it up as big as you want, but you really want it bigger, so it's bigger than the tentacles. Blow that up a couple times, turn it out, and then tie it off, and then connect it to the tentacles. Now you're going to take a 5-inch, oh that's pirate balloons, you don't want pirate balloons for this. You're going to take a 5-inch round, blow that up just a little bit, a little puff of air. Yeah, perfect. And then you're gonna try to split it evenly into 2 sections. So 50-50 as best as you can. It's kind of hard to make things perfect in the balloon twisting world, but you're gonna try. Take it, and then once you have it nice and even, you're gonna take it and connect it to the rest of the tentacles onto the body. Just like this. And then, the friendly octopus. You're now gonna take a Sharpie and draw little eyes on it. Super easy. I don't have a Sharpie right now. Oh yeah, I do. It's just hiding. You just have to find it. They try to hide from you sometimes. Then you're gonna do nice little eyes. You make an angry octopus. I'm awful at drawing faces, but you get the point. Or you do a serious one or something like that. Make it you and make it what the kid wants, and there you go. A friendly little octopus. Super easy. Bonus material? What? Then you're gonna take a little 260, blow it up just a little bit, so it's not super tight. You're gonna make an armband for it. You're gonna tie that off so that has some air in it. Then you're gonna make a loop out of it. With the loop, you're then gonna take the loop and put it right on the octopus. Just like this. And then you can let the kid just walk around with a friendly little octopus on its arm. It's got a friend. Because you've got a friend. There you go.